Now, to solve the last face of the cube, which is solving this yellow face, what we want to do is there's a couple algorithms you're going to have to learn here. So to start, there's three different cases you can have. There's the dot, there's a line, there's an L. I'm sorry, that drawing doesn't really show that L too well. But, so this is the dot. Here, I'll do this algorithm one time really quick. That's the line. And that's a bad example, but that's the L right here with these corner pieces, these edge pieces. These corner pieces don't matter yet. It's just these edge pieces. So no matter what case you have, the dot, the line, or the L, there's one algorithm that can solve all of them into the top cross. And that algorithm is F U R U prime R prime F prime. That's the algorithm you just saw me do to cycle between the dot, the line, and the L. And so what that looks like, if you have the L, or if you have the dot, doing that algorithm will build the L. Do you have, or the line, I'm sorry, excuse me. If you have the dot, that algorithm will build the line. If you have the line, that algorithm will build the L. And if you have the L, that algorithm will make the cross. So how that algorithm looks is like this. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. So see how that built the cross? And don't worry about the corners. It's just the edges right now. So that's the last layer, cross. So now that you have the cross, now there's another algorithm named Soon. And Soon will pretty much just cycle all of these corners around until you have the whole top face solved. And Soon, it looks complicated, but it's actually really simple. Soon is R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And simply what that looks like is R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So this is kind of the case you're looking for here, where you have the cross and then just one corner up, just like this. But if you look out of this arrow here, this should be yellow, and it's not. Your yellow is over here. So this is actually a different case. This is called Antisoon. That's a little bit more complicated, but if you just keep doing Soon, it'll work itself out. So with Soon, if you have the cross and one yellow piece, you want to keep the yellow piece in the front left here. And then just do Soon again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So now you see we kept Soon, and now that yellow piece is here, just like that. Now if we do Soon again, like this, just like this, it'll actually solve this whole yellow face, just like this. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. See how that worked? And now with Soon, there is a bunch of different cases that you can get. Like for example, here, let's see. Don't worry about this algorithm, it's a complicated one. But this here is just an example of another case that you can get where like you have two dots. Still, if you just keep doing Soon over and over again, it will eventually work. And so this is another case. Just keep doing Soon. And see, now we're back to that soon case where you have the one dot in the front left and the yellow is facing you. Just do soon again, and it solves the top.